In this quick tutorial, we're going to take a look at what you can do if your swatches window in Adobe Illustrator doesn't show all your swatches. So if you're working in Illustrator and you have your swatches window, which if it isn't visible immediately, you can go to window and then choose swatches. But you notice that your swatches window doesn't show all your swatches. If I were, for example, to create a new swatch group, like this, and I press OK, as you can see here, I do not see the new swatch group. I practically see no swatches. Now what you can do then is in this swatches window, at the bottom here, you have the show swatch kinds menu. And if you click this, you can see it is now set to show pattern swatches. If I click on show all swatches, it shows all my swatches and it also shows my newly created swatch group. So quick tip, if you don't see the swatches you want to see, just check this swatch kind menu here and then select the swatches you want to see. We want to have shown, and instead of being on a certain kind of swatch, gradient swatch or pattern swatch, show all the swatches and you have all your swatches back. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.